How to make PowerPoint presentation using AI. First, go into any browser and search for Pop AI. Now click on the first link. Now log in using your account. As you can see, I have a free trial, so it's not paid and completely free for now. After logging in, go to AI presentation. Now click on create a new presentation. Then you have to fill out the details to create your presentation. I am going to choose the topic global warming, set the page limit to 10, and tell it to make it in brief, and set the audience to teacher and the slide form to environment. Now just click on the blue button on the bottom right. This page describes how the presentation is going to be. Oh my god, it's unbelievable how fast it can create presentations. Now click on create presentation. Power of AI. We are less than 2 minutes into the video and the presentation is created. You can view the presentation in full screen too. We can also edit the presentation. For example, let's say I don't like the background on the first page. I can simply change the background using AI images. And now we will change the presenter's name. Just like that, we can go to the bottom of the presentation and change the contact to my email. Yourself. One amazing feature is that the presentation is stored to cloud, meaning you can access it from anywhere. This is the link to share it. Also download it, but it requires paid version. Now let's say there is a friend who wants to see your presentation. You can just share the link. Now they can easily see the presentation.